let me do it this way. Shoot. So, needing to use the phone here. Hello. Hello, Jessica. Hello, Christy. So, this is Christina with Flower Massage, and I'm here today to do a little demonstration of one of the most fun new types of therapy that I'm offering here at Flower Massage, which is called silk therapy. I'm going to first apply some body butter, warm up the tissues a bit. Using a body butter that I make that has a bit of a grip to it. And I like to apply body butter to the entire body and do this type of draping so that when I get up on the silks, I'm able to move with some fluidity and keeps me from having to climb up and down a lot. During the massage, keeping things flowing. This is my friend Stuart here. Stuart, say hello.
Hello.
Feet are nice and clean. Up I go. So I use the silks, yoga silks, as support and balance. I use the foot and my body weight, also a lot of gravity, assists in the delivering of a really deep pressure. Pretty much the deepest pressure massage that I'm aware of. If you know of a way to deliver more pressure than your entire body weight, let me know. These long, broad, slow strokes really helps to soothe the nervous system, elongate the muscles, helping to reduce tension in the muscle fibers. How are you doing, Stuart?
Oh, wonderful. That's a good question.
So I can use one leg at a time, or I can go, after I've warmed up a little bit more in the legs, and go both feet on. This is what I like to call body surfing. So again, just really letting gravity and the positioning of my body deliver pressure. Shoulders, bit of the work that I do there. So reversing my swing to support myself and then utilizing my two side silks. Again, I can just start with the one at a time. Continue down the arm. It's more of a compressive pressure. Allows you to work with adhesions. Using just that weight of my body and pressure to soothe those tired muscles. To the shoulders, a place where we all hold a lot of tension. I like to kind of use a 1 through 5 pressure scale with my ashiatsu. Just really like to be in the area of like a 3 or a 4. So where would you say we are with just the 1 foot, Stuart?
Probably about 3.
3. Okay. I like to live in the area of a 3 or a 4. I like to ask that if I get to a 5, let me know, because it's a little bit too intense for me. So there we have it. There's the few long strokes for you there. Let me know, what are your questions? What would you like to know about silk therapy? Hi Vicky, yes. Yes, silk therapy is awesome. I get a lot of reports at the end of this massage that people really feel like a nap is needed. A bit of sluggishness lingers as this is a really, really deep relaxation massage. Hi Susie. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Stuart, do you have any questions?
Can we do more?
He wants to know, can we have more silk therapy? Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. And, oh, wonderful, Candy, welcome. Thank you, Susie. Yes, my hair is matching my silks today. I have a nice sunlighting going on through the window there. Happy that the sun came out today. Candy. Yes, ma'am. What would you like to know? Welcome. Thank you for joining us. I'll do a couple more passes for you, Candy, since you just got here. And Stuart requested a little bit more. I think it'll be okay. So the fact that I'm able to use my foot to deliver the pressure in this massage, it allows for that broader stroke without the pain that can sometimes happen when you're working really deep in the tissues with the hands and even the elbows. There can be, with the hands and the elbows, sometimes when you're working really deeply, there can be a little bit of damage to the superficial tissues, resulting in bruising and soreness, things like that. And with shiatsu, with the long, broad strokes and the even application of the pressure with the foot, you get all the positive benefits of the deep pressure without the digging and the side effects that sometimes accompany really deep massage work. It's like a win-win for the therapist and the client, because the client gets all the relaxation with none of the bruising or pain of deep massage, and the therapist gets to have so much fun. It really feels like a massage and yoga session in one, bringing a lot of awareness to my mind and body as well as relief to my client. Hop down. It's kind of hard to see the screen from up there. Are there any other questions, Candy? So, like I was saying, varying from Swedish massage is a technique that largely uses the hands, elbows, and arms. And depending on how your body is shaped, sometimes those can be some kind of pointy surfaces. They can feel a little intense and digging in nature, which sometimes may be necessary, but with this silk therapy massage, I get to use the very broad and wide surface of my foot that delivers that awesome deep pressure, but in a smoothed out and silky way, I guess, is why I lean toward the name silk therapy. Me too. A lot of people do really like the deep tissue massages. That's one of the reasons that I offer this, to, again, to allow the client to receive that really deep tissue and to allow my body to deliver that in a way that is more balanced for me as well. Well, thank you all so much for tuning in. It was so good to see you this afternoon, and stay tuned for details on an upcoming event. June 26th, we're going to be offering a class for 5 lucky individuals. It's very limited, but we'll be doing a restorative rainbow, a journey through the chakras. So stay tuned for the next live video giving details on that. Thanks for tuning in.